Yeah, Bob, sure, we can get that out to you within 24 hours. So, thank you for your order. We appreciate your business. Have a great day. Hi, I'm Carl Jackson, Director of Sales here at ITS Enclosures. We appreciate you stopping by. Today we want to talk about our viewstation array. It's a billboard-sized... Well, you know what? Instead of talking about it here, come on, let's go check it out. Give you a little tour of ITS while we're here. Well, here it is, the viewstation array, the enclosure I've been trying to talk about. 14 feet by 12 feet in this particular configuration with 6 displays. Let's talk a little bit more about it. I wasn't lying, this is one big sign. The whole idea behind the viewstation array was to be able to have flexibility with your signage. We've got 6 LCD displays in there in the 46-inch configuration. We can also make it 3x3x3 in a 9-screen configuration as well. As you can see in the upper left-hand corner, we've got a piece of the internet coming through. Down below that, departing flights as in you'd see in an airport. And then off to the right, you will see that we have a motion video with some golf tips at this point. Actually, the array is made to be an indoor or outdoor sign. So you can have it in a train station just as well as you can have it out on curbside in Las Vegas. The whole idea is to provide you flexibility with your signage and the capability to be able to tile it like you see here. Mounting options for the viewstation array are several. As you can see here, we've got it on dual posts. These posts can be cut to height and the sign can be set at virtually any height that you'd like to see it. We can also wall mount the viewstation array if you've got a very large side of a building or something of that nature where you'd like to have the array stationary there, we can do that as well for you. It is going to require a sign erector, and we do have to make special considerations to ship the unit to your particular site. But working with any sign erector and our team of install professionals, you can have the array up generally within just a few hours. Okay, I know one of the questions you have and has been posed to us many times is, how do you do that? How do you make the content in various places on the screens? Very simple. Technology is now finally caught up in the displays to allow the tiling capability that you see here. NEC, Samsung, LG all offer their displays with a tiling capability. And as you can see here, we're simply taking advantage of the capabilities they're providing in their hardware. Viewstation array, a lot of displays, thermal management, working parts. How do I maintain it? Very simple. Maintenance can be handled either from the front, depending on what your needs are. We also have panels in the rear that lift off very simply to allow single-person maintenance of the product. It's not that difficult to open. The gas hinges help keep it up, and as I let it go, the gas hinges will subsequently hold the door up vertically as you see, so that any maintenance can be done to the displays inside, replace the display or whatever the case may be, and then close it back up, latch it back up, and you're ready to go. Here's where all the business occurs, the back end of the viewstation array. As you can see, there's a lot of stuff. Anything from cables for the displays, video extenders to allow us to use our particular source for content, and of course, the world-famous thermal management we've been talking about. In this particular instance, we've got a 12,000 BTU air conditioner in this configuration, but depending on your specific thermal management needs, there's a second panel that allows for a second 12,000 BTU air conditioning unit if that's what's necessary for your particular environment. Basically, in this particular configuration, we've got 6 46-inch displays. And as I mentioned previously, these displays have the capability to tile, as you can see here. The displays work in conjunction with the thermal management that we designed for your particular environment. Now, we do also have high bright displays available for this particular array. So if you've got a very difficult sun environment where it's going to be getting hit by sun on a regular basis, we can spec high bright displays to help you overcome the sun issue and make the sign usable for you regardless of the environment in which you're going to install it. Cable management for the array can be accomplished a couple of different ways. Generally, your installer may recommend several ways you can get your cables inside the enclosure. You can use rigid conduit and various other ways to get cables inside the viewstation array. Cable management within the array also exists so that you can keep everything neat and clean inside for easy maintenance, easy care. Lots of devices require lots of power. In the instance of the viewstation array, we have power management, as you can see, built right in on either end of the enclosure. So obviously, plenty of plugs, plenty of power. Let's talk a little bit more about thermal management. We here at ITS Enclosures, manufacturers of the viewstation product line, pride ourselves with over 20 years of enclosure experience, and thermal management is our specialty. Thermal management can be a little bit tricky depending on the environment in which you want to install the viewstation array, but we here at ITS, don't worry, we make it simple for you. The array can handle up to two 12,000 BTU air conditioners. A lot of cooling, even in Las Vegas. We also work ductwork throughout the enclosure to make sure that you minimize hot spots and keep an homogeneous airflow inside the enclosure at all times. If you take an LED sign of approximately the same size, the viewstation array with displays is going to be a fraction of the cost. And you gain the advantage of having LCD displays with their high definition capabilities and the tiling that you see here. Now you can bring your message to your customers your way. Viewstation is manufactured by ITS Enclosures, one of the foremost manufacturers of industrial enclosures in the country. Make sure you go over to the other side of the house, check out the itsenclosures.com website. You can see enclosures for computers, rack mount enclosures, for those really difficult industrial environments. Again, that's itsenclosures.com. Now, there are several ways to reach us here at Viewstation. You can call us, that's 800-423-9911, or if you'd like, you can always use the Contact Us button, fill out the appropriate information, and a Viewstation consultant will get in touch with you and help you with your specific configuration needs.